Imagine a tiny walking pine cone with armor so remarkably tough that a massive, hungry leopard simply gives up and walks away. Meet the incredibly bizarre and utterly fascinating pangolin. It looks like a wild cross between a mythical dragon and a crawling artichoke. But guess what? Its closest living relatives are not armadillos, anteaters, or sloths. In a shocking evolutionary twist, they are actually closely related to bears, dogs, and cats. That is right, this heavy, scaly tank is a carnivore cousin, yet it does not possess a single tooth in its head. Instead of teeth, the pangolin rocks a sticky, bright pink tongue that is remarkably as long as its entire body. And here's the truly wild part. This massive tongue does not attach inside its mouth. It roots all the way down near its pelvis. It acts exactly like a built-in, slithery tape measure, shooting rapidly into deep, dark crevices to slurp up to 70 million tiny ants and termites every single year. To reach those delicious snacks hidden deep underground, it wields massive, sharply curved claws. These giant digging tools are so enormous that many pangolins can't even walk flat on their front feet. Instead, they shuffle along the bright forest floor on their knuckles like little scaly gorillas, or they walk upright on their back legs like a tiny, gentle T-Rex, holding their oversized front claws tucked delicately in front of them in the most polite way imaginable. But the pangolin's absolute ultimate superpower is its brilliant natural armor. It holds the title as the only mammal on Earth entirely covered in tough protective scales. Made of thick keratin, the exact same flexible material as your own hair and fingernails, these bright overlapping plates lock tightly together into an impenetrable hexagonal shield. When threatened by danger, the pangolin simply curls into a rock-hard, motionless sphere. The microscopic crisscrossing layers inside the scales absorb and completely deflect the crushing bite force of giant lions and hyenas. This natural armor is literally tougher than heavy medieval chain mail. However, this seemingly unbeatable defense carries a deeply tragic flaw. Curling into a helpless little ball makes them incredibly easy for human poachers to simply pick up and carry away. Driven by baseless myths that their fingernail-like scales hold magical or medicinal properties, they have tragically become the most trafficked wild mammal on the global black market. But the story does not end there. Passionate scientists and global conservationists are fiercely fighting back. Using high-tech, cutting-edge DNA tracking, researchers are now mapping the exact genetics of confiscated scales. This allows them to pinpoint the precise, vibrant forests where these shy, gentle creatures are being stolen from, helping law enforcement crush illegal smuggling routes. The pangolin is a bizarre, beautiful, and ecologically essential survivor. With our continued protection, this wonderful walking artichoke will happily keep rolling through the wild for millions of years to come.